Na na na, na na na, na na na. Morning light kiss the mountain top. Rain a drop, never stop. Me wake and stretch in the breeze. Mind at ease. Bird them sing a holy song. Life belong. Rise and shine, me spirit glow. Time fi grow. Me walk through the mist of doubt. Me find me root, Jah whisper softly inna me ear. Love conquer fear. Them try to chain me soul in vain. Me break every chain. Me lift me head, me trod with grace. Hope in place. Babylon pressure heavy upon me back, but me never lack. Every struggle teach me fight. Light through night, me no envy, me no boast. Jah guide me most. Me hold the balance, truth and peace. Faith increase, rise and shine. Me people strong, right from wrong. Rise and shine, no turn away. New day. Me see the youth them start to move. Find them groove, no more violence, no more hate. Change the state. Me see the mothers pray again. End the pain. Rastafire blaze inside. Lovers guide. Me climb the hill, me reach the peak. Spirit speak, the light so warm, me feel reborn, new dawn. Me chant the psalm from deep within. Clean from sin, rise and shine. Me soul rejoice, hear me voice. No shadow can cover Jah sun. Victory won, every tear become a seed. Blessed deed. Me walk with courage, heart so true. True and true, rise and shine. Spread the light, end the night. Rise and shine, one love call. Stand tall. So when the world feel dark and cold, stay bold. Rise and shine forever bright. Jah light. Me born fi chant rebellion clean. No mean, roots rebel na Babylon night. Hold tight, drum beat echo through me soul. Take control, rebel heart, Rasta sound. Shake the ground, them system love control and gain. Cause pain, but me stand firm in a bend. Till the end, me chant truth in a every song. Right from wrong, them can't cage body not me mind. Love refined, me see you them fight for bread. Tear shed, me tell them all faith stay true. Just see you, no weapon stronger than heart pure. That's sure. Roots rebel rise from dust, trust and just. Yeah. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Me chant in a market square, freedom here. Me see people dance again, lose them pain. Roots music heal every scar, near and far. Me beat me drum fit the poor, open door. Them call me dreamer, me no care. Me aware, me walk the path ancestors trod. One God, rebel heart no bow to lies. Truth rise, roots rebel live and learn. Fire burn, every generation born again. Free from chain, me hear the drum of resistance. Persistence, Rasta teach love not war. Reach afar. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall. fear. Ay, 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 ay. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Roots rebels sing this song, right from wrong. Roots rebel Jah design, so divine. Me chant till me breath done, work not done. Roots rebel forever strong, live long. Na na na. Fire. Cushion at the paper. In the darkness, small and bright. Flame of unity, bring the light. One spark grow into a fire. Flame uplift the spirit higher. No division, no more hate. Flame of unity, open gate. Every hand and every soul. Flame of love, make we whole. Stranger smile, the walls them fall. Flame of unity, warm us all. Every language, every song. Flame remind, we all belong. Babylon coldness fade away. Flame of unity light the day. Every glow a holy sign. Flame of justice still divine. Elder pass the fire on. Flame of unity never gone. Child receive this sacred glow. Flame of mercy make it grow. Every family, every friend. Flame of unity never end. Burning bright and burning free. Flame of peace, eternity. Soldier drop the sword of war. Flame of unity heal the scar. Every wound begin to mend. Flame of unity is the friend. Nation gather round the flame. Flame of love erase the shame. Every voice in harmony. Flame of truth set people free. Teacher speak the wisdom clear. Flame of unity draw us near. Every lesson bold and true. Flame ignite the life anew. Even storm cannot destroy. Flame of unity bring the joy. Every flicker strong and pure. Flame of Zion will endure. Generations chant this song. Flame of unity keep them strong. No more hunger, no more pain. Flame of peace forever reign. Everlasting, tall and bright. Flame of justice, holy light. Every nation side by side. Flame of unity, ended pride. Glorious fire, bold and free. Flame of love for you and me. Never fading, never small. Flame of unity shine for all. Sacred fire, never still. Flame of Zion, keep Jah will. Eternal touch, forever true. Flame of peace, renew the crew. Burn, burn, holy fire. Flame of unity, lift us higher. Shine, shine, bold and bright. Flame of mercy, guide the night. Flame of unity, one and strong. Carry the people all along. Never fading, never fall. Flame of peace, embrace us all. Forever burning, bold and pure. Flame of justice, still endure. Sacred fire meditate, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me see the towers reach the sky. But truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time. Them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Free gum sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence Jah name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Was a tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child. Say justice nothing mild. Me see the father chant a prayer. Jah always there. Me see the system lose control. People claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line. Time for redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall. Me just answer jackal. Cause from the ruin come rebirth. New heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red. A sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand. Guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way. No crown fit the wicked king. Only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon fall in no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. 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 When the dust finally clear, no more hate, no more fear. Babylon falling, people free. Jah eternity. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man, give me the paper, star sick. Oh, yeah. Me wake up to the mountain cry. Birds them sing and badgers sky. Why not whisper through the leaves? Life Jah weave. Me kneel pon soil, me feel the tone. Earth no alone. Every heartbeat from the ground. Sacred sound. Me hear the river talk at night, flowing with Jah light. It tell me truth me can't ignore. We need to love more. Me see the trees reach for sun. All life one. Me chant for healing, chant for peace. Make it cease. Me see mankind lose the way. Destroy what just stay. Them pies in the land, the air, the sea. Forget Jah decree. But still the earth forgive and give. Teach how to live. She cry but still she sing again. Wash away pain. Yeah, I chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. Me plant me seed, me watch it grow, slow but sure. Me know, me feel the pulse beneath me feet, Jah rhythm sweet. Me chant fi balance, chant fi love, Jah above. Every raindrop tell me so, let it flow. Me walk through field of green delight, soul feel light. Me see the rainbow bless the sky, spirit high. Earth a temple, sky the dome, we all home. Me give thanks for every day, Yahweh. Listen close, the earth still speak in the mountain peak. In the breeze, the song still true, calling you. No war, no greed can stay, earth find a way. Yeah, I chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. Chant of the earth, echo divine, spirits align. Let the world remember she, mother of we. So when the night falls silent deep, earth still keep Jah voice in every grain of sand. Bless this land. Me wake up with fire in chest, no rest, lion heart beat steady strong. Just song me roaring a valley wide, no hide, courage grow like tree. Set me free, them try bring down me spirit low. Still me glow, lion heart no bow to fear. Truth clear, every trial build me soul. Self-control, me walk through fire calm. Holy song, me hear the voice of ancient kings. Freedom rings, them say stand firm in a truth. Teach the youth, me carry legacy so bright. Jah light, no enemy can tame me roar. Me soar, shot lion heart, stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat, face it. Me see the battle in the street, still me beat, me fight with love not gun. Victory won, lion heart protect the weak. Freedom speak, me lead them through storm. Keep warm, me no see crown or gold. Me soul bold, me serve the people true. Like Jah do, lion heart within me chest. Never rest, me roar of hope and peace. Love increase when the night dark and cold. Me stay bold, just strength in every beat. Complete, lion heart carry Jah fire. Never tire, drunch lion heart. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat. Face it, lion heart. Guard the land, takes this stand. Lion heart, fear no foe, bless flow. So when the storm roll again, me remain lion heart, forever true. Jack crew. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Morning light kiss the mountain top. Rain a drop, never stop. Me wake and stretch in the breeze. Mind at ease. Bird them sing a holy song. Life belong. Rise and shine, my spirit glow. Time for grow. Me walk through the mist of doubt. Me find me root, Jah whisper softly in me ear. Love conquer fear. Them try to chain me soul in vain. Me break every chain. Me lift me head, me tread with grace. Hope in place. Babylon pressure heavy upon me back, but me never lack. Every struggle teach me fight. Light through night, me no envy, me no boast. Jah guide me most. Me hold the balance, truth and peace. Faith increase, rise and shine. Me people strong, right from wrong. Rise and shine, no turn away. New day. Me see the youth them start to move. Find them groove. No more violence, no more hate. Change the state. Me see the mothers pray again. End the pain. Rastafire blaze inside. Lovers guide. Me climb the hill, me reach the peak. Spirit speak, the light so warm, me feel reborn, new dawn. Me chant the psalm from deep within. Clean from sin, rise and shine. Me soul rejoice, hear me voice. No shadow can cover Jah sun. Victory won, every tear become a seed. Blessed deed. Me walk with courage, heart so true. True and true, rise and shine. Spread the light, end the night. Rise and shine, one love call.